This video will guide you through the recommended installation steps for Tremco WATCHDOG basement waterproofing systems. The WATCHDOG membrane should be stored indoors off the floor at an ambient temperature above 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius. Open drums should be slightly sealed before storage to avoid a skin developing on top of the liquid. When shipping emulsion-based products during the winter months, contact your Tremco technical representative. At the beginning of every job, it is very important to have all the tools necessary for a successful and efficient installation. You will need gloves, respirators, chemical glasses, airless sprayer, spray gun with proper 535 tip, a caulking gun, Dimonic 100, stainless steel spatula, WATCHDOG fluid applied single component membrane. Before applying the membrane, make sure that the block, parged block, poured concrete or precast concrete are clean, smooth, firm, free from dust, mud, ice, snow, loose mortar, wires, fins, metal projections, wall ties, or any other substance which might prevent placement and bonding of a continuous film. Take particular care to ensure that the footing or cover area are clean. On poured concrete walls, remove wall ties on the outside and the inside of the wall. This must be done prior to the application of WATCHDOG membrane. Patch tire holes with a 10 to 15 mil wet coating of WATCHDOG membrane. Honeycombs or voids in the wall must be patched with Dimonic 100. WATCHDOG membrane may be applied to damp or green concrete. However, the product must not be applied over standing water, a water film, ice, frost, or snow. To waterproof penetrations, the voids around the penetration must be filled with Dimonic 100. The penetration area must be sealed with an additional coating of WATCHDOG membrane. Once your basement is fully prepared for system installation, prepare for membrane application. WATCHDOG membrane can be applied to surfaces using standard application procedures down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, -7 degrees Celsius. When spraying below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, it is highly recommended to have your equipment and material enclosed in a heated compartment. The membrane should be applied to a minimum thickness of 60 mils wet, measured and placed on the wall with a notch film gauge. Pay attention during the application process to ensure a consistent homogeneous membrane. For best results, apply WATCHDOG membrane using a 2-coat technique utilizing a tack coat on the entire wall and a second coat to build up to the required wet mill thickness. An applicator may choose to spray the WATCHDOG membrane in one coat. This type of application must be carefully completed to ensure no thin spots. Inspect the sprayed wall thoroughly for pinholing, voids, or thin spots. Lightly respray any areas requiring additional mileage to the correct thickness for the substrate. For complete application instructions, visit our website at tremcosealants.com. If you have any specific questions, please contact your local Tremco sales or technical representative.